What is good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. Starting out the vlog after work today instead of starting it before work. But we're about to head out to DeLon's garage because he's really good with like installing air suspension and stuff like that. So I kind of want him to check and tell me exactly maybe what's wrong with my compressor, or if I just need a new one. My guesstimate is I just need a new compressor. I mean, it's been on the car for basically 2 years. As you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, you know, as soon as I got the car, I bagged it. Like, not even 2-3 months of owning it, I bagged it. Wait, this setting right here is kind of nice. Look at the sky in the backdrop and all that. That's nice. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But I let the car warm up. It's not good to like hop in your S2000 and just dip, you know. So I like to let my car warm up before I pull out anywhere. But yeah, let's just get on our way over there. He's waiting on me now. Yo, this S2000 just be locking on itself like mad easy. All right, so let's get these harnesses on. Let's get this car up and out of here, baby.
On the beat, so the more niggas talk, I'ma shine. Might have been way before it's time. Posted with my back against the wall. Life is a bitch, but she mine. The rack 6'2", she is mine. The west side 2, yeah, it's mine. What you know?
How many PSI is on there right now? Put it manual mode.
70.
Keep holding, keep holding.
They're trying to zero out the pressure in the tank right now, so that way when he tries to release the tank, it's good. But when he's trying to release the air out of the tank, it's good, because right now it has a lot of pressure in it, so it's not allowing some of the volts to come free. Alright, so
This fucking water tap is not doing anything.
well, I had the tube, but it just fell when we were looking at it earlier.
I know, but still, this water.
Oh, this is all one piece.
Yeah.
That's what you. Underneath.
What the fuck is that?
I think it's connections that we put together. Whatever you guys see is what we did in
I want to see if the wires pinch right here. Hold up.
No. Yeah, but connectors. We can always just clip it in the fucking.
No, there should be butt connectors here. Hopefully butt connectors. I have a butt connectors.
How hard would it be to connect the tank to right there, like you
I
said?
was just saying, you're trying to do it now.
I mean, if you got the time.
We can do it right here.
Yeah.
Just the same thing you did for my car.
Yeah.
And then, because I want to put a system, my subsystem down there that gets made for the car.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Down there.
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure, you know. I don't be liking to hold people up and shit.
Just so.
Huh?
I said I don't be liking to hold people up and shit.
Man, you're holding up my
I
car.
ain't got shit to do. I'm down for this.
All right. Don't worry, I'm gonna put your @ name in here and JR's @ name in here.
Oh, I don't
I'm trying to fix my car, bro. It's like, you know.
Listen
see,
to
I'm-
the water, guys.
See, I knew it was mad water inside there.
Hello, you little vloggers. It's mad water here. What the fuck?
I mean, it's 2 years of
Oh, it's 2 years?
2 years of compression.
Oh, shit.
It's all gonna come out. Is there?
No, it's clean. I put the, you know what? I put the, what's that thing called? The airline antifreeze in there.
Oh, that's probably all.
That's probably what it is. I thought you was about to drink it. Fuck.
Nah, some thick water, yeah.
Yeah, I put the airline antifreeze in there so that wouldn't freeze up my lines.
Oh, is that? Oh, okay.
It might be that. I don't know, but I know that's what I put in there.
But you never take the.
I never.
Nah?
I never drained it. That's why I said if I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna drain it.
I thought it was my hand making that noise.
That's why I said if. Yeah, that's why I said if I did it, I was gonna drain it, because I remember when I had the bag installed from the first time, I had the line that you could push the water out, like from the thing.
Cause you don't got an exhaust, right?
No, but that's what this was. And then we had the line going through the bottom so that it would drain the water, but I guess it didn't. But before I had it to where
it's not gonna drain water off the tank though.
It's gonna drain off the water
from the management. Yeah, but I had something where before like it was plugged into this, and I'll just get the hose and it'll just and shoot all the water out. I don't know if you have that. I'll buy it off you. But I went to Harbor Freight when I went to at work and I didn't see anything. Yeah, no, it was at the bottom. I just pointed to that for some reason. But yeah, I went to Harbor Freight to see if they had any, but I didn't see any.
Well,
for the connection to put the hose to it, because like I have the hose, I just don't have the connection.
The fitting.
Yeah. About to get in the bag the cord. Damn, I wish it was light so that way they could see it. Now you guys get to see it a little bit better. Damn. Woo.
Nah, but
I'd rather be hot.
Yeah, exactly.
Hot boy.
God damn,
Right.
this tank. I don't need motherfucking need a fucking stand for this thing. This shit fucking weigh like 20 pounds.
So we're trying to figure out a different spot to mount the tank. Shout out to this guy right here, Young Money Mac Daddy, for giving me. He take my old tank, gave me the new tank.
What y'all vloggers think about this position right here? Yo, I'm natural on the camera, bro. Yo, this shit look even though?
Yeah, to me.
It looks even?
To me.
Alright, so I need y'all help because this shit ain't.
Alright. What's up, y'all? So I just left my boy's shop. Right now it's basically 1 o'clock in the morning, and we're not done yet with the trunk setup. I switched the tank around and a couple other things, but I just wanted to give a big shout out to my boy Delon and JR. I'm gonna put their Instagram names here for you guys to go check out their pages. I just want to give them a big shout out for helping me out getting this car to where I need it to be, and you know, officially trying to figure out what the problem is. But I'm not gonna end the vlog here. I'm just like letting you guys know what is happening. But I'm about to head on home because it's already like mad late and I got work in the morning. So I'll pick up the camera again tomorrow and I'll show you guys exactly like, you know, what's going on and whatnot with the trunk. What is up, everyone? So your boy just got home from work and I finished taking out the carpet. We had to put it back yesterday, but I just finished out taking out the carpet, and I'm about to undercoat the bottom base of the trunk because it was getting a little bit of rust spots, and my boy Delon was saying that it'd be good to, you know, undercoat it so that way it doesn't rust in the future. But as you guys can see, obviously it's backwards, but we had to do it this way, so I'm just gonna peel the sticker off and put it a new way. But the tank is now mounted up here, which means now I can run a system down there if I want to. And the management is bolted over there on the side. I just took everything apart again because everything was mounted onto the carpet and stuff, but I want to undercoat it so that way when we go back on a Sunday, everything's already like nice and clean. And I'm also going to do the carpet. I'm going to spray the carpet a different color. I'm going to spray paint it black with the fabric paint. So I'm about to undercoat right now, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Alright guys, so I went to Home Depot with JR yesterday when you guys saw it. And I bought the undercoating, some Rust-Oleum undercoating. And I'm just gonna spray the interior, well, the trunk metal pieces around towards the bottom, just so that way it doesn't rust. I already explained that to you guys. But I wanna hurry up and do this because it's like really cold outside. And I want to take the carpet pieces and take it down to my storage unit and then spray the carpet pieces there. But this I have to do outside, so I'm gonna hurry up and get this done so that way we can get to this carpet. Also got me some hot chocolate just to, you know, keep your boy warm out here. But this trunk is gonna look pretty cool. Still gotta work on it. It's a lot that we have to do, but I'm super excited with the outcome. I'm happy that we got the tank mounted to where it's at, because before that shit was just like super annoying. Like it was always in the way. Now I could put like a nice subwoofer in there, a nice little system in there, and maybe even run some LED lights. My boy Delon, he's like pretty good with that kind of stuff. So me and him, hopefully we could work out and get some like a system running in here like really nice and clean, and then have Mark like maybe wrap some like pieces up together and you know, the sub box, make it something dope, you know what I mean? So it's a lot that I got in store. Like I said, 2019 I'm trying to go as hard as possible. I hope you guys could get me to 20K ASAP, because I really want to get to 20K. I'm thinking about doing something real cool for 20,000 subscribers. Maybe turbo in the car, or maybe getting another car, like another project car. I see a lot of people asking me about the CRV. I'm gonna talk about that in another video, but just know I'm not gonna give up on a CRV. But yeah, man, it's cold as hell out here. I'm like trying my hardest not to shiver and like shake, but it's cold as hell out here, so I'm about to hurry up, and then we can start talking once we get to the shed. All right, so I just did the first 2 coats on the undercoat. So I mean, it looks pretty good. It looks evened out and everything like that. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then we're gonna get with the carpet and everything like that. So I'm gonna just let this sit for a little while. I'm gonna vacuum the carpets out and then go from there. If you guys know where I'm at, that's because you're a real OG and you really rock with me. But I just got down to the storage unit, and I got the Duplicolor vinyl fabric spray paint. So I'm just gonna spray down the interior pieces in the trunk just to make it look cleaner, fresher, and you know, just spruce it up a bit, because the gray is starting to fade out. It's starting to look a little dirty, dingy. So I just say, you know what, let's try something different. Let's do something different. Let's, you know, bring some life into this trunk. So I'm gonna spray it down. I already vacuumed it, cleaned it, so now I just have to spray it down, and yeah, let's hope for the best that it actually comes out pretty good. Because at the end of the day, I've always noticed people who do this, like they'll spray their carpet in their cars, and you know, over time it wears out. But it's like there's no type of like foot movement or anything kind of like moving around in the trunk like that, so it should stay fresh for the most part. So far it's already looking pretty good. Like, look at that compared to that. Oh man, this is gonna make it look so much better. And all the carpets is black now. I might buy another can just so I could do another coat on it, just, you know, just to be for sure and everything like that. But look how nice these look now. Nice black carpets. Woo! Alright guys, so I'm about to head back to AutoZone again and pick up another can of that fabric spray. Where's my key? Alright. So we're about to go run there right now. My car's gonna be smelling like paint from mad long. But I have the taillight out and I have the windows cracked, so that way I could at least, like, you know, ventilate a little bit of that like paint smell out of there. But that's why I left the carpets in the storage unit, so that way, you know, it's not like sitting in the car smelling. So I'll leave the carpets out for majority of the time.